Now, because first thing here we have to draw these circles. You can see the shape, right? You can see the question, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So there is a diameter 24 circle in the middle, small circle, diameter 24. I'm just reading the dimension. On the right hand side, if you see R24, that is our outer radius, the radius of the outer circle. We'll draw the circle and we'll trim it or cut it. R24. Then you can see up here R48, the outer radius, and inside there is a circle, diameter 64. The center distance total is 178. So, excuse me. Dimensions are in millimeters, so I need a metric system here. So I should not start in this exercise. New exercise, sheet set. I should be in the manufacturing metric because dimensions are more than 10, 178, 64, and so we go here. I'll copy that exercise from here, cut it from here, and put it into the new file here. Also, I'll get this exercise number just for your reference. Like I get the exercise number here, so small number. Now I will change it. Select it. Select it. You can say right click and text edit. You can select it all and go here. Again, it is Romans. I will take it Verdana, 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 and size of the height, the text may be 20. Let it be 20, and then we'll see how much it is going. Too much. Cancel. Select all. Maybe 3, and also okay. When I'm inside, this must be selected in the font. Verdana. Still not enough. Select in. Okay. So you have to write your name in each file, whatever exercise you are doing. Here you get the text box and write your name and ID number. Say, for example, Ahmed, and number is 360810. You write your ID number, not the exercise number, ID number. Everybody must write an ID number in his each file. And the file name should be the question number, whatever is exercise number, question number. Well, so we want to draw this shape. I'll first draw a line, horizontal line with ortho on. This is ortho on 1, okay, 200 for example. Let me get it 200 to see how much area I need. I need this much of area approximately to draw. So I will start drawing now. This I will start drawing this exercise. First, I will draw the vertical line here. Any length, vertical line, any length. Remember, my ortho is on. So that will make sure that the line is perfectly vertical. Then I'll offset from this one 178. Line at the distance of 178. So these are the centers of the two extreme circles, small circles there. Now I'll draw the horizontal line from the midpoint to say coming out here a little bit, and I will also increase the length of the line on the other side. So this is my line. Also the mid one here, another line. So it will be offset by 170 divided by 2, and no, not from that line. Offset distance is 178 divided by 2, and or you can calculate and use the distance directly. This is a midpoint. So I got the centers 1, 2, 3, and now I can draw the circles. So first circle on the left hand side, center diameter 24, inner center diameter 24. uh, Now I will make this one little bit thick and line weight on 24, so zero point 0.3. So now when I'm drawing, it will remain is circle center diameter here, similar type of the circle, diameter 24. In the middle we have the center diameter. Here in the middle we have diameter 64. Now the radius, center radius. Here the radius is 24. Sorry, not here. I will start from here. It doesn't matter actually. From here, radius. This radius is 24. 24 is given there. Same thing here. Center radius 24. Now in the middle you have the radius 48. Center radius. So this is the center here. Click for the center. Radius is 48. You get this one. Uh, Now I have to draw the line command. This is very interesting command. Tangent line. Tangent line. So I'll say line. Now it is asking specify the first point of the line. I want to make the first point as a tangent. So type tan and enter. Line tangent to. It is asking me tangent to what? Tangent to this circle. Now it is asking me specify the next point. Next point also is tangent to the second part. So type tan, enter, then click on the second circle, enter. This is how you get the tangent line. So when I start draw line, it is asking where is the first point of the line. I can say first point is here, right here, directly here. And the second point is tangent to the circle. So I can type TAN, enter, and click on say this circle, then it becomes a tangent. So it can be both points tangent, it can be just the second point tangent, or it can be just the first point tangent. For example, line, first point is tangent, type tan. So when it is asking specify the first point, I don't specify the points. I don't write the coordinates. I just type TAN, enter, then click on the circle. So it is tangent here. And the second point is just go here, see, directly. So it can be the first point tangent, it can be both points tangents, or it can be just the second point tangent. Just type the tangent and click on the object to which you want the line to be tangent. So we use this command line, type TAN, enter, tangent to the first circle, then second also is tangent, so type TAN for the next point, enter, click on the second circle, enter again. Again, line, type TAN, enter, click on the first circle, then again type TAN, enter, click on the second circle. Again, type tan, line, type tan, enter, click on the circle, type tan, enter, click on the circle. Okay, if I click here, it is coming tangent down. So you, which quarter of the circle you are clicking, that is also important. Not just click anywhere on the circle. You want here, so you click here. So line, tan, enter, click in this area, type tan, enter, click on this area. So you get the tangent up there. Now we have to trim these circles here. We have to trim the inside of the circles. So this is a trim, all, enter, enter. Trim, all, enter, and again enter. And then you trim the lines, the circles, whatever objects you want to trim. Also you want to trim this one. So you start trimming from here, zoom in. Also zoom in here. Go, zoom in here, trim from here. Also trim from here. Now the remaining part of the line, because it is already cut, you can just select and delete. Delete key. Select the object and delete it. Now the drawing is finished now. You just need to make these lines as center lines or hidden lines. So type of the line is also the part of this exercise. Here we change the color of the line. Like I have some line here. Okay, or this line. I want to change the color. I can change the color of the line. Here you change the thickness of the line, right? And the second last one here, you get the type of the line, like a center line and the hidden line and so on. Now here we have the bilayer, by block, and the continuous. Three types only. I will click on the other. You get the line type manager. So there are only three lines here now. Three lines only loaded. There are so many lines types in the AutoCAD library. I go to the load, to the library. This is the load or the reload line types. You just click here, anywhere here, just type C. It will jump to the C for center line. If there are 3 center lines, I'll get the center, center 2, center X2. Center X2 is line type with double scale. This is line type with 1 scale, and you can see here line type with 0.5x 0.5 scale. I'll say okay. I will explain you what it is. Again, load. I'll type H here. It will jump to the line's name starting from the hidden line. So I'll get the hidden line also 0.5. Okay. Now the center line and hidden line is here. You can say okay. Line comes here. Now the line is available here. Now what you do? You select the line, select the line, select the line, whatever the lines you want. You can select all of them together. You want to make them center line. All of them are center line. That's it. Now we can put the dimensions for the exercise. Say linear dimension. This one to this one is 178. I didn't like the dimension, so I go to dimension style, modify, uh, lines. Okay, lines, you can change the color of the line if you want, say, that is not important. The arrows 2.5, maybe at least I need 3-4 times more than this. Text also 10 maybe, and ISO standard, always keep ISO standard. And the precision in our dimension, I think there is no precision required here. Okay, 0. Set current, close. So it will be, it is not 64.0 or 00, it is just 64, like this. So you can see the line dimension. Now you can see clearly. Again, the dimension is here in the middle, so you can go to dimension style, modify, and text. Now text placement here is vertically above the dimension line. You can say centered. It becomes in the center of the dimension line. Okay, set current, close. Now it became in the middle, like here. Remaining dimensions, diameter of this one is here. Dimension, uh, diameter of this one, say here. Dimension radius, same place, put what is given in the drawing. Similarly, that's it. All these dimensions. How many dimensions are given in the shape? Only give that many dimensions. File, save as. This is exercise 5, question 2. That's it.